Wiring the push-to-talk from the digital connector, not the mic yet. Brown, black, red, and yellow. Okay, so orange is digital connector to the mic socket's leftmost tab as seen from behind. So orange, we'll get the distance, cut that short. Let's put a little bit of solder on that tab. Now the other one goes to violet on the other one, so I'm going to go ahead and tin these tabs. And there's the ground. Now they show ground coming off of blue and violet. Let's go ahead and grab the blue and violet. Blue and violet. Okay, so I want these to be at least as long as those, so I get to the other side. So I'll cut those. Blue is ground, so let's go ahead and strip these. Tin the wires themselves. I'm just going to bend these. Okay, blue. Blue is ground. Violet is the leftmost. And why I bent those is so I could kind of hook that a little. Melt the solder. And it would work. Orange goes to the leftmost. I did that wrong. Orange. Kind of bend that a little to get the hook effect. I did not tin the orange wire. So that one's done. Make sure the mic's ground lug is showing connectivity with the chassis ground. Now chassis ground should be one of those little tabs right there. So let's get out our multimeter. I normally use I'm used to using one that lets out a tone, and this one puts out a tone. It's just very low. There we go. So it does connect. So far we have this, which is a rotary encoder, and the mic. We don't have volume or speaker, but let's go in order. Okay, so this one we made extra long to go around back. This one stays up front. And this, see, that's one of the reasons I left these longer, so that they could go all the way across the front, because this one needs to. I might have trouble getting all these cables together. It has to come through enough for that to get a hold of it, and I don't think this is going in enough, so I've got to dig that out. I had a really good screwdriver for that, and I actually had a nail. I actually had a razor. Well, let's see if we can get it on. You have to put this on with the tabs up, or you'll never have any chance of getting it on. go. It's going on. So there's that. So I've done a lot of work off camera. I mounted the mic and the key in the front, and I added the second microphone connector, wired it into this one. I also labeled them on the back so I'd know. When the person made this design, they put a better microphone interface on it, and that meant that they got rid of the other mic. Well, I kept both, so now I'm short one of these. Haven't decided what I'm going to do with that yet, and I'm just going to leave it lay out. I'm probably going to end up putting a hole in the side here. That'll be my guess anyway. So let's see if we can get this one to do it. Yes, it did. Much nicer. So it holds together okay, and it's very solid. Very solid. I have the original wiring diagram, and I followed it almost to a T. Okay, so we finished this stage. Stay tuned for the rest of the installation. So if you like the videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.